reaction is redox reaction. Simply it is known as oxidation reduction reaction. Okay, first we will see oxidation, a reaction in which oxygen is added or removal of hydrogen. Addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen is known as oxidation reduction or is oxidation reaction. And in reduction, just opposite, addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. And in oxidation, addition of oxygen but removal of hydrogen. So you can see the, just see the example. Copper oxide react with hydrogen gas and copper plus water will formed. Here just see copper oxide and this side only copper. So just tell me oxygen, removal of oxygen or addition of oxygen. So it is removal of oxygen and removal of oxygen is known as reduction. So you have to write here reduction. And this side here only hydrogen and this side hydrogen as well as oxygen. So here addition of oxygen, addition of oxygen is known as oxidation reduction. Okay, I am repeating again. Oxidation reaction is a reaction in which oxygen is added but removal of hydrogen. And in reduction reaction, addition of oxygen, hydrogen and maybe removal of oxygen. I am repeating again. Addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Anyone, if anyone takes place, this is oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction is a reaction in which addition of oxygen and removal or removal of hydrogen takes place, and in reduction reaction addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen take place. So in this equation you can see here copper oxide react with hydrogen, form copper plus water. Here copper oxide and here copper, it means that oxygen is removed from copper oxide. So oxygen is removed means reduction reaction. Here only hydrogen and oxygen is added. Oxygen is added, so oxidation reduction reaction. Take another example. Hydrogen sulfide react with chlorine. So when hydrogen sulfide react with chlorine, then sulfur plus 2HCl will formed. So there is no oxygen. So we will check according to hydrogen. Here hydrogen is added or removal. Removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen. So just check removal of hydrogen. It is oxidation. In a single reaction generally you will find oxidation as well as reduction. And this side chlorine and this side chlorine as well as hydrogen. So hydrogen is added. When hydrogen is added, it is a reduction. So you will write here reduction. So combinedly it is known as redox reaction. Separately redox reaction is a RED for reduction and OX for oxidation. So combinedly it is known as redox reaction or oxidation reduction reaction. Oxidation reduction reaction is a reaction for oxidation. Addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen will take place. For reduction, addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen take place. Now oxidizing agent and reducing agent. What is oxidizing agent and what is reducing agent? Oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Oxidizing agent and reducing agent. First, what is oxidizing agent? A substance which give oxygen is known as oxidizing agent. Simple. A substance which give oxygen. So I will write here, give oxygen or take hydrogen. Similarly here, give hydrogen and take oxygen. Okay, just I will explain by example. Simply, oxidizing agent is an agent which give oxygen, or oxidizing agent is an agent which take hydrogen. Reducing agent is an agent which give hydrogen or take oxygen. Now see the example. Same example. Copper oxide react with hydrogen, form copper plus water. So all four things I will explain by this example: oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. One by one. Here copper oxide change into copper. So removal of oxygen is reduction reaction. It is a reduction reaction. Here addition of hydrogen oxygen, so oxidation reaction. Now oxidizing agent means which give oxygen. Who is giving oxygen here? Copper oxide. Copper oxide has given oxygen, so this substance is oxidizing agent. Understood? A substance which gives oxygen for oxidation is known as oxidizing agent. Simple. Which give oxygen is oxidizing agent, or just take hydrogen. And here hydrogen take oxygen, so it is oxidation reaction. But for reducing agent, give hydrogen or take oxygen. So who is taking oxygen here? H2. So it is reducing agent. Oxidation, reduction reaction. A reaction in which addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen take place, that is oxidation reaction. A reaction in which addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen take place is known as reduction reaction. Oxidizing agent is a substance which remove oxygen or intake hydrogen is known as oxidizing agent. A substance which give hydrogen or accept or take oxygen is known as reducing agent. So here hydrogen is reducing agent, copper oxide is oxidizing agent. Here reduction of oxygen take place because oxygen is removed. Here reduction reaction take place because oxygen is removed, and here oxygen is added, so it is a oxidation reaction. Thank you beta.